Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about when should we use interface and abstract class, one of the important basic Java integration. There are two types of inheritance: implementation inheritance and interface inheritance. In implementation inheritance is where the subclass inherits the actual code implementation from the parent class, whereas interface inheritance is where the subclass adheres to the public interface of the parent class. That is just a contract, not the code. Please use the abstract Java classes when you want to provide some standard code base but want to force the users of your class to complete the implementation. For example, you create a skeleton implementation and the subclasses must write the specific code. The main benefit of interface is to support multiple inheritance in Java. Say you want to use the multiple features, multiple functionalities of Java, then you should go ahead and use interface, because Java does not support extending from multiple classes. You can't extend multiple classes. You can extend only from one class. That's where interface comes and helps us to support multiple inheritance in Java. A class want to use multiple features of Java, then you can use interface. For example, a subclass want a thread operation and also write into a file, that then you can use runnable interface and serializable interface. Conclusion: if your class want to use multiple features of Java, then use interfaces. I have just given examples. Say I have employee and contract employee and regular employee. I could see some common behavior. If I could see some common behavior, okay, then I don't want the duplication of code in the subclasses or the specific classes or the concrete classes. So I can move the common behavior to the base class, that is parent class. Then I can force these subclasses to adhere to my contract. I can write some abstract methods and I am forcing the subclasses to give the specific code for that contracts. So that's where abstract class comes into picture. If there is common behavior, I don't want to have the duplicate code, and I am pushing those duplicate code to the base class, and of course I am forcing them to write some specific code as well. In case of interface, there are no common behaviors, okay, then only contracts are there. They should give the specific code. If there is no common behavior and they have to adhere to some contract, then they can go ahead and use interfaces. And interface, one more benefit is, if you want to use multiple features of Java, then you can go ahead and use interfaces. So please remember, if you want to implement multiple features, then like serializable and runnable, then you can go ahead and use interfaces. So multiple inheritance, think about interface, and if there is no common behavior, then you think about interfaces. If there is common behavior and you want the subclass to force some contract, then you can go ahead and use abstract classes. Hope this video is useful for your interview preparation. Thank you and all the best.